Music. Welcome to my Alibaba Cloud OSS review. Check the description for useful links. Alibaba Cloud's Object Storage Service, or OSS, is a powerful, secure, and affordable way to manage massive amounts of data. Perfect for developers, enterprises, and businesses of any size, OSS is especially beneficial for those in Asia or seeking a global cloud solution. OSS excels at scaling, handling anything from terabytes to petabytes with ease. Choose from various storage classes, standard, infrequent access, and archive, to optimize costs based on how you use your data. This flexibility makes OSS perfect for everything from active data to long-term archiving. Your data is secure with OSS thanks to encryption at rest and in transit, plus advanced access controls and granular permissions. For regulatory compliance, OSS meets numerous industry standards, ensuring your data is safe and properly managed. OSS integrates seamlessly with other Alibaba cloud services like ECS and databases, making it ideal if you're already using their platform. It also supports large-scale data migration and works with third-party apps. OSS's pay-as-you-go pricing is competitive, meaning you only pay for what you use, with no upfront fees. This flexible model works for startups and large enterprises. If you need reliable, secure, and affordable cloud storage that can scale, Alibaba Cloud OSS is an excellent choice. Learn more and get started with the links below.